Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Fishing with Koong. Today it's mid-May, and we're gonna go and see if we can catch some more crappies from the lake here in Connecticut, Lake Lilienona, Brookfield, Connecticut. So with us today we have our usual fishing buddies, Mr. Ming and Mr. Chris.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can catch some crappies. Okay, here we go. At the lake, back at the lake. Let's see if we can catch some more crappies. Nice warm day today. Sunshine, about 60 degrees. And we're using live bait again, as always, shiners. See if we can catch some. It's moving. I think, is it a fish or
Yep.
is it a shiner?
A fish. Yep, it's a fish.
Something got it, yeah. Something is pulling on it.
Yep.
I'm gonna let it grab.
I think
Oh,
took
it let go.
fish.
It let go.
Nick, I think the bit of half of your fish.
Yep, got it. What is it? What is it?
Crappie.
Oh yeah, nice crappie. All right, we got it. So
We stay.
here we go. So this is Lake Lilienona crappies. About what? 10 inches? 10,
More.
11 inches?
They're 12 about.
All right. There we go.
So the middle here.
Yep, we're here.
Yeah, here. Told you no more than 5 minutes.
Okay, Ming, what you got there?
I told you no more than 5 minutes. Look at the rod. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at his. Look at his small but feel good rod.
No, but you good look. No. I told you no more than 5
All right.
minutes.
He's the bluegill master today.
Yeah, I
Catching a
told
lot of
you
bluegills. Yeah.
no more than 5
Okay,
minutes.
the new captain. Okay, we're gonna call you Captain Bluegills.
Yeah, good, Captain Bluegill. I got my title today.
Yes. Whoa.
Whoa,
What is it?
a
It's
bass.
Crappie. It's a Crappie.
I think it's a bass.
A bass.
Yeah, another crappie.
Good play.
Yep. Yeah. Whoa.
Wow. So good.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a smallmouth.
Bass.
Yeah. Yes.
Good feeling with the guy.
Yeah. I think I need a net on this one because of the fishing pole. Whoa. Come on, come on. Yeah, a nice smallmouth. There we go.
So the bite was
Yeah, a nice smallie. Yeah, this is yeah, I took my shiner.
Which one is this?
So no crappie, but smallie.
So this small.
This is what they call a smallmouth bass.
Okay.
I told you. Look at my rod. Look at that.
What? Another one?
Yeah.
Another bluegill.
Look.
Okay.
Look.
Boy,
I told you.
Somebody-
A bigger one.
somebody is certainly having fun with the
A bluegill.
catching the bluegills. Can you see how big they are? Yeah, that's a good size.
Oof. Well, I
Okay,
take the
so-
longer hook so I can unhook easy.
Since they're not biting well with the live shiner, we're gonna Go with the-
worms.
go with the lure here. Try jigging. Okay, so Captain Bluegill is making fun of my $200
But don't feel bad. For $19 rod, you got small fish, you know.
fishing pole. He says all I catch is a little sunfish with this $200 pole. Oh, here we go. What is it?
See, for $200.
You're right.
I feel so bad for that.
Oh boy.
Look,
But-
look. Hey, I got a white perch. So these two on it?
Yeah. All right, Chris, what you got there, Chris?
I don't know.
You got something though, right?
I got something.
All right. More bluegills.
No, that's a good sign. Not bad for the $20 rod, you know? Don't feel so bad for $20. You can...
Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
$200 same coins.
No. This is a $200 Daiwa. Catching all these small ones.
Oh, I have a happy Mother's Day. Look, fully quit camera. Then over $1,000. You know, smartphone, you know, GoPro, you know, that's what it Oh my God.
Ming, you're a troublemaker today.
I love myself, man.
Okay. They're making fun of my pole there. Okay, what you got? What you got, Chris? More bluegills. All right. So Ming, what's that? $20 pole? It's okay, right? For that, right?
Yeah, for $20 it's not bad. You know, don't feel bad for $20. You got small fish.
And you go.
Hey, the price went up. $5. You don't want to buy now. More fish is going to be $10.
I don't
Oh.
need it. Mr. Ming.
What is it now? A small bass? Oh. All right. A rock bass.
So what do I do? Lost this, right?
Wow. Look at the
Come on.
this nice little rock bass here. Look at the color of the eyes. No crappies today.
Being scared all of them.
Oh, another one. Okay, here we go. Probably another little sunfish for a $200 pole.
No, boy.
Set point. Set point.
Oh, another rock bass. Little rock bass. Cute. Go back.
Going down, leave it up.
Okay, Chris. You gotta go down to the bottom like Captain Bluegill over there.
Yeah, I'm going to go down now.
Oh, there you go.
No, I slip. I slip.
You got it?
It slip. It
Oh,
slip.
yeah, right. Captain Bluegill.
No, I gotta take that down. Hey, $10. You want my spot?
No, keep your spot.
All right. So,
Yes. What is it? Oh, yellow perch.
Ooh,
All right.
That was good.
More Thai species today. Wow, good size.
Yeah, that's good size. Maybe
Good size, good size.
good looking too.
Yep. Wow, look at the color. Beautiful.
Beautiful color.
Beautiful color. Look at the fin.
Very nice color.
Yeah. So we're catching more Thai species today at the Lake Lillinona.
I think we end up like last time.
We're catching everything but crappie. And that's what we're here for. I think they're all gone. Oh, there we go. Fish on. What is it now? Oh,
Another one.
more yellow perch.
You know, I sent the link to my niece and the girl to buy.
Wow, we're catching everything but crappies today. What? Another what? Holy. Sunfish?
Yeah, baby one for $200 rod.
Meaning, eh?
Big.
Oh wow. A lot of there's a lot of talking today. Trash talking today. $200 rod. Only catching small sunfishes.